What's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kivani, and today we are going to be putting to the test this little hack that I've been seeing all over YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I've been seeing it everywhere. I've actually been seeing it for a couple years now, but I was not taking the little Glad wrap thing serious until one of my sisters actually tried it out herself, and it worked. So we are going to have Beyonce. This is a regular sheet of paper. So Beyonce is going to be in our Glad wrap today. And then I have this picture of Aaliyah. Let me tell y'all, my printer was not acting right, and this is how Aaliyah came out. This was what she was supposed to look like. This is what she was looking like. It's still kind of cute, so I'm going to use it just because only 5 come in a pack, so I'm gonna use it, and it don't look terrible. It's like a pink bluish color. It's cute, and this is what the back looks like. Yeah, so we're gonna get into the pros and the cons and all that. By the way, this is not a tutorial, so don't watch this video thinking I'm about to show y'all how to do this, because I'm not, okay? I'm really not. I'm going to be watching a video myself. For the transfer, I've done this a few times, so I already know how to do this. It's really simple. You have to have a certain type of printer because of the ink that is used on here. I have another picture somewhere. So I'm going to show you guys, if you use a regular printer, what happens to the iron-on when you get it wet. I was trying out the regular printer to see if it would work, and can you even see there's some blue lines on the back here. So this one is the this one is the printout. You can tell because it has the blue lines on the back, but this is a different picture of Beyonce, and I got some water on here, and this is what happened. This is what will happen if you use regular ink versus the type of ink that is required for the iron-on. I'm just trying to keep y'all well informed, just so you don't waste your money on the iron-ons if you don't have the right type of printer. So you can go onto the website and get the requirements for the type of printer that is used for the iron-ons. I think it's like a jet printer or something like that. I really don't recall. So I started off with the plastic wrap first, just because that's really what I was testing. I already know the iron-ons work because I've done it before. So I made sure the whole entire front and the whole entire back was covered in plastic, because a lot of the tutorials I was watching was saying, you know, if the whole thing's not covered, it's not going to stick. So I definitely made sure that I had it covered thoroughly. And I as you can see, I'm peeling it up because it just wasn't sticking, and the plastic got a little bit messed up because the wax paper, it's a small piece of wax paper that actually comes with the iron-on. So I was, you know, using that, and it should have been just a smidge bigger. But I moved on to the iron-on, and I didn't have any problems with the iron-on at all. It was easy to peel off. I've done this before in the past, and it's been difficult to peel off the iron-on, but I think it's because I don't have any nails on. It was so easy to peel off. But yes, as you can see, I moved on back to the plastic wrap. I cut off the parts that got messed up, and you know, round 2. So as you guys are gonna see, I kept going over the edges and then I poked a hole in the plastic because I didn't want it to have like an air bubble in it. But I kept going over the edges. I went over them several times, as you're gonna see here, and eventually I did get it to stay down, but I just kept having to go over the edges. But yeah, I am all done with the shirt, or I'm about to be in a second here. But I am going to try the shirts on for you guys and give you my final thoughts on this whole process. The video, originally when I had the thought, I was going to put them in the washing machine and all that stuff. But upon me making the shirt and doing research, the shirt with the plastic wrap, you cannot put it in the washing machine because it's going to mess up the print because it is paper, which I suspected, you know, it would mess it up. But I'm gonna just show you guys the two shirts, and you're gonna see a big difference. You're gonna see a major difference in the quality of the two shirts. And I'm back. So I have on the transfer paper. As you can see, she bends, she folds, all that good stuff. Yeah, so this is the Aaliyah shirt. She is no problems. I'm sure there are some problems, but like no major problems. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the Beyonce shirt on, and I'm gonna show y'all some problems. Okay, so after struggling to get this on, it is, you hear that? Do you hear that? No, and it's coming off, like it's right at the boob. It's just ready to come off. This is gonna be a no for me. I'm not feeling this hack. I think this is good for like a one-time thing, like you going to the Beyonce concert, you want to put on a Beyonce t-shirt, that type of thing, like a one-time thing. But if you want this shirt for years, even a week, I would not suggest this. And I was reading comments underneath the videos that I watch, and they were just saying that you should hand wash the t-shirt because if you put it in the wash machine, it's gonna destroy it, blah 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 blah. And this is the Aaliyah t-shirt. We can fold it, we can whatever. And there she is. She's here. This feels like it's like a regular t-shirt. Excuse me. This is a regular t-shirt, like that you get from the store. This looks like you made it yourself. Now, I'm not trying to tell y'all what to do, but I mean, like, the longer I wear this shirt, the more it's starting to come off. Like, I can literally just peel Beyonce right the fuck off. Oh my goodness, and look at this. It just ripped. Like, this is not a good hack. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news. And back to our regular bleached shirt. Anyways, that's it, y'all. That's it for this video. We out of here. I mean, you've seen it for yourself. I literally don't have anything else to say. Like, you've seen it for yourself. You've seen me make the t-shirt, and you've seen the kind of quality I got in return. So you guys make your own decisions. You're your own person. I'm just here to give you some perspective, okay? Anywho, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.
You make me wanna. You make me wanna. You make me wanna.